Oh, hi! Hold on one second.
On a recent trip, I had to pack for 9 days. I was to be gone for 9 days. So this is a video to show you how I did it. First things first, this is my makeup bag. Also, this is the bag that holds all my hair accessories and a reduced toiletry bag. That's all I brought this trip. And of course, this is the mothership, my space pack. We have my pajamas, there's my underwear, bras, and on the other compartment is a bathing suit, a scarf, and some socks. There's another look of what was in the other compartments. And these are the only shoes I brought, guys, and the ones creeping up were the ones I wore on my feet. And I wanted to show you how I packed the more gentle, my Kohan Nike Airs. I love them. Now this is a great tip I wanted to show you guys for your flip-flops. Grab a shower cap from your hotel room to pack your flip-flops, wet or dirty. You don't have to worry. Just throw them in your suitcase like that. Boom. So now I'm just gonna speed through my Flight 1 space pack to show you everything I brought. You can go to the post on dailyaffair.com to actually see my packing list, but here I packed a range of hiking clothes to business casual because I was also going to a conference, to colder weather like for your 60s. There's another look of everything that went in there, to warmer weather because it was still in the 80s. It was a 9-day trip that took me to 2 different destinations with a variety of different activities I needed to pack for. And of course, this is what I wore to the airport: leggings and my You're Welcome t-shirt, and of course my travel jacket. Now, You're Welcome t-shirt and Black Women to the Rescue are available in the shop tab on the Daily Affairs website. For links for the travel gear mentioned in this video, check the description box below or just go to the post for this video on the Daily Affairs website. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Until next time, cheers to the journey.